night since I got here.
Just in Arizona?
Yeah.
Like stuff on the streets?
Yeah, all with homeless people.
Alright, what's up you guys? John's Moto Garage. We are taking the Fz07 out for a quick spin. If I can make it out of the garage, and if the battery's not dead. Ooh. No, no. Come on, come on. We're gonna try to jump start it because I really, really wanted to ride this bike. This bike is so lightweight, easy to jump start, so. Alright you guys, John's Moto Garage, how to jumpstart a motorcycle. Put it in neutral, run as fast as you can. If you have downhill, that's easy, at least if you can get it first try. And then bump it up into second or even third gear. And dump the clutch. Nice. This one was easy. I always accidentally push it into first gear when I jump on. My foot hits it in the first. But this was the easiest bike to jumpstart. Alright guys, John's Moto Garage, welcome back to the channel. We are on the Fz07. If you're new to the channel and you dig the content, feel free to like and subscribe. Hit me up on Instagram at John's Moto Garage. Today the plan is just to get a quick ride in, throw down some wheelies. There's a police officer hanging out over in that parking lot, so it's a good thing I wasn't taking it crazy right over there. It's awesome. Man, what is up with all the cops everywhere, dude? Every one of my wheelie spots is shut down by the 5-0. There's a cop sitting right over there. We're gonna try out a second wheelie spot. A pro tip here, before you jump into a wheelie spot, guns blazing, always do the quick rundown. Do the initial walkthrough. Make sure you don't have any 5-0 lurking, because you could be shut down before you even start, and that would be horrible. Nobody wants that. Yeah, we might have a luck with a 1 or 2 wheelies over at this spot. I have yet to try a staggered stand-up, so we're gonna try that. That was crazy. That's like the easiest thing I've ever done. Holy smokes. That was crazy easy. It's scary because I'm chasing it out. I'm not quite there to the balance point where it's slowing down, but how's it going, dude?
Are you just learning how to do that?
Just learning on this bike. I've learned on smaller bikes, but yeah, pretty much.
That's bad as well, man.
Thanks, dude. I'm not, hey, am I causing too much ruckus over here?
No, man, I stay right down there in town. I come over here to get the bath.
Oh.
3 times a week. Got a race clutch on it?
No, just stock, standard clutch.
Yeah, I used to run the Can-Ams in the creeks.
Oh, no kidding.
And had a RM 400, and we did the.
Trying to think.
I met some fellas in Oklahoma that I'm seeing to catch on here. They were these were grown men, way bigger than me and you.
Yeah.
Riding 125.
Honda Grom. Yeah. They have like a cult following. Tons of people buy them, and they go out on these big group rides and stuff.
The first bike I had a bunch of bikes, but the first bike like I had paid for, I had a 87 Gixxer 750.
Oh, nice.
And I laid it down on the 42nd month.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, me and my wife went to Colorado, and she had a back surgery, and she couldn't stand the altitude, so we come down here to visit.
Yeah.
And she passed away.
Oh, man, I'm sorry to hear that, dude.
Yeah, it happens, and so she's with the Lord, though.
Yeah.
I envy her sometimes. No worries. Man, by far, a Honda is probably the most reliable bike I've ever had.
Yeah.
I had 3 of them. I was going to buy a Gold Wing, but I'm just not a big enough fella for it.
I had a Gold Wing. It was the new ones they have. It's called the F6B. They take off the tour trunk and they kind of slim it down a little bit. But dude, that was like the smoothest, one of the funnest, most comfortable bikes I've ridden.
My dad had Heritage Classic he's trying to get me to buy. So I took it out. I took it on the road for 2 weeks. And on the road, it was a good bike. It was real stable. In the mountains, we had a Screaming Eagle, and it caught up with itself real easy.
Yeah.
But man, when you got in the city, if you caught the lights,
Oh, yeah.
man, it was a monster. I mean, that's the thing with Harley riders. They can look like the dog, and like they just got out of a dog-eat-dog fight.
Yeah.
Their bikes,
Yeah.
can't touch them for cleanliness.
Yeah.
The cleanest thing you ever seen on the face of the earth. Hey man, did you help some fellas out, a woman and a girl with a dog? Help them move.
Oh, yeah.
That was you, wasn't
Yeah. Did I meet?
The long hair guy with Christian in it.
Oh, I met you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Back behind that spot.
I kept thinking, I know you was over in that parking lot with the bike, wasn't you?
Yeah, that was a dual sport, like a supermoto. Oh yeah, I remember you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you stay in contact with them much, or?
Man, there's certain things that goes on, man, you know, and sometimes people are done by it, and some people do it, and some people are done by it. I went through 13 bikes, man.
Jeez.
I said, dude, you don't want to get rid of none of your bikes. He goes, no, man, not really. I said, well, what are we going to do about paying the bill? He said, well, I'll pay it. I said, okay, man, we can pay it. So I got a daughter that's fixing to turn, let's see, 89. What's 89 to now?
Oh, so she's so about 30.
Yeah, she'll be 30 on the 7th.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
It's cool.
I know half of the year just flew by.
Oh, it did, dude.
And this weather, man, it went from being nice in one day.
Overnight.
Overnight, man.
I was up in Utah, and we came back down, and the heat just hits you. It's like a heat wave, you know?
I deal with humidity in Tennessee.
That's worse.
And but what's the deal is everything gets hot.
Right.
You put something down in 5-10 minutes, it's hot. Or
Yep.
you'll be wearing gloves, and your damn gloves just get hot.
Yep.
I was sitting on there, I was panhandling, I was sitting up there with a sign, flying a sign, and I sat there and I said, you know what, man, all you really need to do is roll over, and you'll be equivalent to being on the grill.
Oh no, it's for real. You can fry an egg on the sidewalk, easy.
Yeah.
Is this your first summer in Arizona from Tennessee?
First summer.
Oh yeah.
But see, I got a lot of problems that the cold, it hurts, makes it ache. And here it aches the same, but I can get up and get on the bike and it's low impact.
Yeah.
Man, dude, I can do 30 miles a day riding that bike. But if I walk from here to McDonald's,
you're done.
I'd be dead.
Arthritis or just joint?
Arthritis.
Yep.
Younger days, I did a lot of M&A fighting.
Oh, no kidding.
I'd go in there and I'd get a guy in front of me. He'd be 6'8", 395, and they say, okay, this looks equal. And I'm like, I'm 168 pounds, man.
Yeah.
He weighs twice as much as I do. I said, all right, dude, I'm sorry to tell you, man, but they say you're going to be okay. And they just looked at me as crazy. But man, we would get in there and just go till you clean the ring up no more. It was too damn bloody, man.
Jeez.
And,
that was before MMA was MMA.
I've been in 4 fights since I got here.
Just in Arizona?
Yeah.
Like stuff on the streets?
Yeah, all with homeless people. Everyone, because I don't consider myself homeless, man. When I lay down, I go to sleep like I was you think I was in a mansion.
Yeah.
I go to sleep. You know?
Yeah.
But a lot of these people, they'll say that word homeless, and it's sometimes it gets you in a pit, and it's hard to get out of there. You start thinking a certain way. And,
yeah.
But I've been 4 fights, and 4 fights have been less than a minute.
Breathe.
I throw a punch. All I do is just dance around them. My cardio.
Yeah.
By 45 seconds, they're going.
They're worn out just from that.
If you was real man, you stand and fight. I'm like, no, dude. I did that when I was a real young man.
Yeah, yeah.
And now I'm paying for it. You want to hit me, brother? You're gonna have to earn it. You're gonna have to get it. You know?
That's funny, dude.
That first night or two, when you wander around and you ain't got nowhere to go, and you don't realize that all you got to do is sit down and go to sleep.
Yeah.
And everything will really be a lot better. The cops got a great motto here: out of sight, out of mind.
Yep.
So you can't do if you do that, you won't be here.
Right.
Or you'll be in the cemetery.
Yeah.
So when I'm in their sight, I want on their mind what I want on their mind.
Yeah, that you're doing good and.
Yeah, hey man, I'm a legit dude. I don't have an ID, working on it, but no warrants, no stealing,
right.
profanity. just having
just a respectful human-to-human interaction.
I was staying out. You remember where they were staying, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I stayed out there, and this new rookie sergeant came on. He goes, "Well, this is my area, this and this, and I can't have this." I said, "Listen, you don't have it." He says, "Well, yeah, I do. I have this responsibility." I said, "No, you don't." I said, "Believe me, it's already handled, man. It was handled before you got here. When I put this tent up, I was thinking ahead. This is not permanent, man. I have no obligations. I don't have to get up at a certain time. I don't have to go to bed at some time.
Right.
I don't owe anybody in the whole wide world a penny.
Right.
Not one penny. I got an ex-wife on some money, but she ain't gonna get none. And I do believe that respect is one of the things that it's earned, but it's earned in a way of I give you the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
If I invite you into my house and I make it so open that you could easily pick up $1 or a piece of candy or take anything you want and I never know it
right.
until a week down the road, well, then I might as well just put bars around everything and chain everything up and
yeah.
You know, but I don't live my life like that. I live it like, you know, totally give you the benefit of the doubt. That way you'll be who you really are.
Right, yeah.
You know, and the thieves, they shine through, and the liars, they shine through, but most of all, people who, and I guess people just look at me and they think, well, I go do something for them. At first I thought they was thinking I was old man or something, you know, and then I looked in the mirror and I said, well, you know, it's not that bad. I've had it longer.
Hey, that's in style right now. If I could have a beard, I would.
Yeah, well, I try to tell people, this is a product of being lazy. Because when I don't have this, everything's overcut.
Yeah.
Everything's shaved every day.
Oh.
You be careful, man, because if you was to accidentally go over or something.
Oh yeah. My phone has a tracker on it, and my wife, she's probably been messaging me now because
you've been standing still.
Yeah, she notices. Too long, she starts blowing up my phone and calling.
What's this right here?
So I do here, I'll show you. I have a YouTube channel, and so whenever I go out riding, I always film for two reasons. One is like insurance, you know, if somebody hits me or I run into something or whatever, right. You have it. If I crash, but I do videos. I do YouTube videos just as a side hobby.
Well, this is a Go Cam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can like record learning the wheelies and stuff like that. So these are some of the videos I've done.
Wow, man. Did you ride dirt bike?
I didn't. My dad grew up riding dirt bikes. He grew up with all that stuff, but he's probably, I think, 56, 57.
He's my age.
Yeah. But he crashed so many times that he got out of it, and then he never got us into it. Plus, we didn't have the money growing up to have all those types of toys, you know.
As I was coming around a curve, there's a creek that's dry, so it's pretty good fall off. So I went down and kind of endoed. When I come up, I tabletopped it.
Oh, nice.
And I caught a wire. No, we've been riding there and no one never knew it was there for years. Caught a wire.
Oh, you hit a wire?
Yeah, I hit a wire, man, and it pulled my foot about halfway apart.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Jeez.
And I didn't ride a bike. I didn't ride a bike from that. I was probably 15.
Can you hop on any trains and like are you able to do that these days?
No, you can't. No, hell no, man. They're here. I try to get on a train here, and they got people on there to beat you down.
Oh.
And I got ready to jump on one. He goes, "What are you doing?" I said, "Damn, you scared the hell out of me." He goes, "Yeah, you didn't see me." I said, "No, I didn't see you." He said, "What you doing sitting on the train car?" I said, "Well, I was going to have a cigarette." He said, "What you going to do after you have a cigarette?" I said, "Well, I planned to ride this train down a little while." He goes, "Well, the cigarette and sitting on the train, that's cool. But riding the train, that ain't happening." I said, "Well, who are you?" And he pulled out a pistol. He said, "I'm the one that says what's going on." I said, "Hey, man, you whatever you say." I said, "You want a cigarette?" He said, "I'll take one."
Yeah.
A cigarette with him. Hey, be safe, man. What's your name, man?
I'm John.
I'm Elias.
Yeah. So I always like sharing stuff like this on my channel. Would you care if I shared this on the channel?
No.
Just
man,
our interaction?
No. In Colorado, man, I'd be standing saying, "Can you help out with a little bit of money?" Well, they throw you weed. I'm like, I don't want no weed, man. I'm already fucking hungry. That's just gonna make me hungrier, okay?
That's
Thanks for the gesture, you know. But how about some money? Here, it's like water. They give you water. That's a good thing, man. Good.
Yeah. Nice.
All right, John.
Elias?
Elias.
Elias, cool. Nice meeting you, brother.
Hey, man, be safe, man.
Yeah, I will. Take it easy.
Thank you.
Super cool guy. always like to make sure I'm not causing too much ruckus, you know. And so we went over to talk to him and had a good conversation. All right, if you dig it, like, subscribe, hit me up on Instagram at John's Moto Garage, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios, nos vemos.